Hi, today I want to show you how to change the lenses in the Ballistic Shocktube glasses. So it is very easy. Here on the side you see that there is a screw and you also get a hex key. So all you have to do is simply remove the screw. So then you can separate the bottom from the top. So just simply open it like so. You take the lens out. You get the lens that you want to replace it with. You put it in. Then just put the backing back in here. Just screw it back on. And there you go. And obviously you have to do the other side as well.